This update of new laws and regulations for 2018 is brought to you by the Scally Law Firm. Business owners should be aware that Prop 65 warning labels must be updated to be more specific than in the past. New signage and identification of dangerous chemicals must be used. For more info, check out www.p65warnings.ca.gov. You should note that businesses which employ less than 10 are exempt from Prop 65 requirements. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau drafted a rule which would ban the class action waiver commonly used in auto sales arbitration contracts. A report by the Treasury discredited the CFPB's finding upon which the rule was based. The House of Representatives voted to overturn the rule, and the Senate followed with a tight 50-50 tie vote. Vice President Mike Pence cast the deciding vote to overturn the rule. Arbitration contracts will remain in place. A year ago, the FTC drafted new buyer's guides, which provide more information to the consumer. Dealers were allowed until January 28, 2018 to exhaust existing supplies of the old forms and begin using the new forms. Make sure that you are using the proper new forms by January 28. The Department of Defense has issued a new interpretation of the Military Lending Act, which now considers it illegal to sell gap, credit insurance, or perform cash-out transactions to an active duty military member or a dependent without complying with all aspects of the MLA, which for virtually all dealers would not be likely. If a dealer typically offers gap, it is advised that each customer is run through the MLA website, which you see at this link. Identification of active duty military can also be done through Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. California has passed a bill referred to as Ban the Box, which prevents employers from asking potential employees about any criminal history, at least until a position has been offered and accepted. Then, an employer can ask about prior convictions, but in order to use that information to withdraw an offer of employment, the conviction must be directly problematic with the position offered. Also, an employer may not ask about prior pay, compensation, or benefits. Catherine Sandberg with Fisher Phillips Labor Law Firm can provide a review of your policies. Contact her at ksandberg@fisherphillips.com.